Environmentally responsible disposal, y'all. Guess I'm wearing the right color shirt to put the Weed Eater back together. Not much to say about it. I got new bearings and new seal, cleaned up the crankcase as it were, and feels really nice. So I need to make a new gasket for the jug to sit on and then put it together and see if it runs. Don't have a ton of time tonight, but cats are fighting over the food dish. I'm gonna get started. My hope was to use the old gasket as a pattern. Looks like I'm not gonna have any luck with that. So, oh, this pencil is very broken. Interesting. Okay. It's just like when you were a kid and you put the piece of paper on over a leaf, you know, and you rubbed it with a pencil. It's exactly the same. It's no different. You can even round off the corners if you want to be, you know, sort of OEM about it. Ooh. Have to be gentle so we don't damage this. Now for the real test. Must be. Doesn't fit very well the other way. There we go. It seems to match up pretty well there. So just by way of providing a little bit of two-stroke theory, I guess, these passages here on either side of the piston are actually your intake passages from the crankcase up into the top of the combustion chamber. So fuel is actually drawn in from the carburetor. When the piston moves up, the fuel is drawn in through this passageway into the crankcase. And then when the piston comes down, it actually compresses that and it opens up the port on the other side here and allows the exhaust, which then closes and we get our compression, ignition, and the cycle repeats. So you actually have your fuel coming into the crankcase. That's why you mix oil in, because that's what lubricates all this bottom end. And then it burns and comes out. So it's kind of interesting. And it took me a little while to wrap my head around an engine that has, you know, no valves. It's kind of weird to this mechanic who's used to 4 strokes. So anyway, got the gasket made. Let's put the head on. These look like they had a bit of thread locker on them. So that's going to be challenging to torque. Not that I know what the spec is. Gonna have to do, I guess. Whoa, that spins nice. Whoa, yeah. I like that. Very cool. All these parts to go on. Exhaust. Flywheel. Ignition. Fuel. Let's put on the exhaust for no good reason. Or do we want to run it without exhaust just for funsies? Maybe we do. Maybe we really do. That's a shame. I'm going to check rotation as I put each part on so that I don't run into any sort of trouble. On this, we have to set a gap to the flywheel. And a nice rule of thumb, nice piece of card wrapped on there, press it against it. It's a good looking card. I'd like to meet the guy who has these. He's probably pretty cool. Ah! And dumb. He tightened it against the wrong spot. Dummy. I didn't put it where the magnet is. There we go. Right, feels good. Join these together. Sure. Oh yeah, we got spark. Well, she's pretty together, but I'm kind of out of time. It's getting late, so I think we're gonna call it there.
Palm trees, broken roads, desert dust bowl sun, where the billman will call you almost every week. Which bills to pay today, what's left in the fridge to eat.
forget to connect the switch up. That's important. That's hard. Can't get it in the hole. Come on. There. All right. That should be enough to allow us to start it. Doesn't seem right. Doesn't seem right to me. We'll get it. Okay, so I did find the metering lever was quite, I don't know, out of place, I guess, and out of adjustment. So basically the needle was quite stuck, so it wouldn't be able to draw more fuel in. Oh, we're definitely getting more now. That looks a lot better. Well, let's see if that works. Who knows? See it moving a lot more fuel. A little bit there. Whoop. Not too shabby. In an earlier video, I showed you how these pegs were missing, and they go into these holes right here on the side of the trimmer shaft to keep the weed eater head from rotating, and obviously that didn't work very well. So I've just kind of made up this little tab here, welded it on, quick shot of just some random black paint, and that is going to allow us, when we fit the trimmer head, that's just going to locate it right there, and with the handle trapped on the other side with the screw and whatever through there, I think that should hold it pretty sturdy.
5 days later.